Hi guys, in this video I will show you how easily we can turn any photo into a line art drawing. This effect is most famous in these days and age. So let's go ahead and check out this tutorial without any further ado. I'm going to use this image for our base. If you'd like to use the same one, download link has been mentioned in the video description below. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have opened this base image. Right click on this image. This will bring you pop-up window. Go and hit on duplicate option and here rename if required and click OK. In this way you can make duplicate layer. Next step, go to image in and main menu section and then go to edges and click on use saturation. Here we have to reduce the saturation of the newly duplicated layer around -50. Now again duplicate recent layer. Now select recent layer and go to filter in the main menu on the top, then stylized option and now hit on find edges and apply it. Again duplicate topmost layer and go to the top of layer palette here and change blending mode to multiply. Now select topmost layer and go to the bottom of layer palette and click the add mask icon. Be sure that to select foreground color black. Now go to the left side of your screen over here and click on paint brush. After selecting this, you can access option bar of brush on the top of your screen over here. Now select large and soft brush. Now come to the stage and start lightly painting area of your image where you would like some color to spill through, such as cheeks, hairs, background and so forth. And here we have done with the most famous effect in Photoshop CC. Give it a go and let me know your reviews on this. That's it for this Photoshop quick tutorial and tips. Like this, be sure to check out WebNation YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, please subscribe and give it thumbs up. And thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in next one. Till time, stay tuned and practice our tutorial.